my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. So today it's a cook with me video. This is what I'll be cooking for dinner. So it's almost dinner time, and this is what I'll be cooking for dinner: curry soup. So here are my basic ingredients to make delicious curry soup. So here we have chicken, we have Irish potato, carrots, onions, seasoning cube, pepper, salt, and of course curry sauce. This happens to be one of my favorites. I love this. Let me open it for you all. So I'm gonna open it from here. Wow, look at this. So this is the curry sauce that I'll be using. We actually have 2. For this soup, I'll be using just 1 pack of 8, because if you use the 2 pack, it's gonna be very thick, like very thick. So I'll be using just 1 part of 8, and I'll save these for another time. Okay, people, let the cooking begin. So cover the pot to cook. So people, as you can see, the chicken is cooking. Next I'll be adding the Irish potato. So people, I'm going to cover the pot to allow the meat to get softened, as well as the potato. Now I'll be adding the onions and the carrots. This is already looking delicious. Yummy curry soup, Japanese curry soup. If you are a Japanese person watching this video, tell me, did I try? Are you gonna give me a pass mark for cooking this delicious curry soup? I mean, the kids love curry soup. I mean, myself, I love curry soup as well. So next I'll be adding the curry sauce. I don't know why, but I just like to add this curry sauce last. But I also think the reason is because, you know, the soup becomes thicker, and for me, it's as good as ready. So here is our curry sauce. It's gonna melt by itself. At this point in time, all our ingredients are inside this pot, and they are all dancing together. They are cooking nicely, you can see. I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to dissolve. Ta-da! Ta-da! Our curry soup is ready. It's so thick. Imagine I just used half of the curry sauce and it is this thick. Imagine I use both the full sauce. That means it's going to be extra thick. So if you want to add more water to it, you can add water at this point in time. But for me, I think I love it this way. So here is my curry soup. Looking so yummy, so delicious. Dinner is ready. I love curry soup, and the kids, oh my goodness, they love curry soup. So people, our curry soup is ready and it's time to serve dinner. Please like this video, share this video, leave me a beautiful comment. So people, thank you so much for watching. It is time to dish my curry soup.